Hey, this is Cedric here. So, if you are a consultant or a trainer in the food safety or HAC field in the food service sector, this is definitely a video you will want to watch. So I will show you that providing a digital solution to your clients is not complicated and expensive, so you can put those fears at rest. And I will also show you how to earn extra recurring revenues without doing extra work. And this is possible if you get on the right bus. So just before we get into the meat of the presentation, I just want to give you a little bit of a background story about myself and the company. So I hold a bachelor in culinary science, a level 4 in food safety, teacher's qualification, and also numerous food-related qualifications, such as nutrition, for instance. So I used to be a chef by trade in the first part of my career. I worked in Michelin star restaurants for nearly 15 years. So Raymond Blanc's restaurant, Le Manor Rocade Saison, Gleneagles, and numerous other places in France as well. So this was a great experience. Yet in 2006, I decided to create one of the first private chef company in France. So we were working for celebrities and Fortune 500 companies. So I had a team ranging from 20 to 40 chefs constantly. We've been working for Keanu Reeves, Salma Hayek, Penelope Cruz, Naomi Campbell. Amongst the large company, we've been working with Gazprom, Orange, Google, Amazon, Facebook also. And so in 2012, I got a little bit fed up about that, so I decided to create something more meaningful. I wanted to create something that where I could share my knowledge of the industry to others. So I've created a cookery school, and I've created training programs very specific for the UK Maritime and Coast Guard Agency. So training programs for chefs and food safety as well. So to date, I've trained more than 2,000 food professionals in food safety. So why am I saying that? Because I've noticed that there are common problems, and the most common problems that your clients have when it comes to food safety and HAC is that they don't have time to deal with the paperwork, or at least this is what they say very often. It's always difficult to onboard new staff member and maintain quality. And it's really complicated for them to remain consistent with quality management. And sometimes they don't have the knowledge, and so you provide them with the knowledge during your training or consulting job, but it's really hard to keep the momentum going. And sometimes after we've provided the training, it feels that as soon as they leave the classroom, everything is forgotten. So we've created a solution to solve these problems. The solution is called Qualizy. So Qualizy is a digital solution helping food professionals to remain compliant and also make sure that they are super successful during inspections. But I will show you how the tool works. In this presentation, we will cover 3 tactics. I will show you how to reduce your admin costs massively, your own admin costs massively. I will also show you how to modernize your client's operation without the hassle of dealing with tech. And I will also show you how to generate passive incomes for your business while creating more values for your customers. So let's dive into the tool presentation. So let me just show you how you can save on your own admin costs. So when we are training or consulting, there are a lot of documents that we use and reuse for multiple clients. So often we only need to tweak perhaps 10% of the documentation to make it fit our own clients' business needs. And so using Qualizy, you can do that very, very easily because you can deploy SOPs using the knowledge base. And so you can upload documents and tweak documents on the fly. And so you can use and reuse packages very, very easily. And you can also deploy templates. So for instance, if you have a daily cleaning schedule that you want to use and reuse for numerous clients that only needs tweaking, you can duplicate it. And so here I will just show you how to edit a template, and you will understand that this is a very, very unique tool on the market, and that this is extremely powerful for your consulting or training business. So once you've created a template, you can allocate it to multiple clients using the location selector here, and you can also make it available to specific people. So the purpose of this presentation is not to go into too much technical details, but I just want to let you know that you can also trigger notification, you can allocate scores, you can do you can trigger corrective actions, you can do food traceability. There are more than 30 different kinds of fields that you can use. So for your training or consulting business, this is also very helpful to use calculation fields. So when you are running an audit or an inspection, the system will calculate the result of the audit on your behalf. So that's very, very convenient. So the second tactic I wanted to show you was to modernize your client's operation. So usually your clients are not doing the recording properly, or at least they will tell you that they are doing the recording properly, but they are not, and you know that. So the tactic is to make their job easier. So once you've deployed SOPs on their behalf, you can give them access to the task dashboard here. You can set them with different authorizations, and all they will need to do is to complete the data very, very easily from their fingertips, so using a tablet or a mobile device. So let me just show you how that works. So this is the way it looks on a mobile device, and that's the way it looks on a tablet. So the solution is a progressive web app. So this is something very, very new but very powerful. It doesn't require to update or to download an application from the App Store. This lives in the browser, and everything is done by ourselves on the back end. So that's extremely convenient for you and for your clients. So your clients are usually frightened by inspections. So whenever they get inspected, when you provide them with the quality account, they can access reports very, very easily. So let me just show you how a report looks like. So this is a report, and you can see that there are some data that have been allocated in there. And so this is very clean. They can also export it as a CSV, PDF, or Excel file, and they can also share it, and they can share it with the inspectors, but they can share it or put it on their own website and share it with their own clients. So that's specifically useful if, for instance, there is a cleaning schedule that's related to COVID, or processes that they want to demonstrate their clients that they are actually doing. So very convenient, but very, very, very powerful. And the third tactic I wanted to show you, which is perhaps the most important one of all, is to show you how you can generate and create recurring revenue for your own business. So here in the company profile, you can create clients and you can create locations very, very easily. So you can have as many locations as you need. And the user management is also extremely powerful. So here you can allocate your clients with different authorizations, so that when you deploy templates for them, you make sure that they keep the core of the product to be yours, so that you keep consistency and efficiency at its maximum level. And so here you can also monitor pretty much everything they do, and you can coach them on the go. So coaching your clients is very simple. because if you trigger notifications and corrective actions, you can also talk to people within the app. So earlier in the presentation, I was mentioning that sometimes this is hard to keep the momentum going after a training has happened. Well, this is precisely what this application is designed for. So here is what we've covered so far. So I've shown you how to deploy processes for several clients in a couple of clicks. I've shown you how to modernize your client's operation so that they can log data on the fly from their fingertips using a tablet or a mobile device, using the templates that you've deployed on their behalf. And I've shown you how to create clients' accounts so that you can monitor their operation and generate passive and recurring incomes for your business very, very easily. But the application is really feature rich, but I haven't had time to show you the advanced traceability feature or the smart label printer. We also have temperature sensors that you can put into your clients' fridges. We have super advanced notifications so that you can trigger messages. You can create the kind of messages that you want you or your clients to receive. There we have also non-conformity management, corrective action reports, shareable public reports, graph and analytics, but we can show you all of that during a one-on-one demonstration. So here is what I suggest we should do. You should book a strategy call with us, and during this strategy call, we will review your current SOPs. We'll show you how to implement your own SOPs inside the Quality portal. We'll do one implementation with you, or we'll do it for you if you don't have time. We'll walk you through the tool and we'll answer any questions that you might have. We'll give you a free account for you to use, so you will see that you will be able to use it very easily for your own audit and inspections. And we'll also estimate together how much value you can bring to your own clients, and we'll estimate how much extra revenue you will be able to make using Quality product. So what you need to do is to schedule a strategy call with us today. So using this very special link, so quality.app/partners, we only have 20 spots available per month on this program. We won't be able to onboard everyone. So I strongly recommend that you book your strategy call as soon as you can, because as soon as we reach 20 spots, we stop the bookings. We already have 12 for this month, so go ahead, book your spot, and we are really looking forward to helping you modernize your operation, modernize your client's operation, and also generating revenue, recurring revenue for you in the meantime. Thank you, bye-bye.